Hello everybody, welcome again to the Tekla Steel Structure course. Now in this lecture we want to draw the purlins on the top of our model. Okay, so let's go to the software. Let's now choose steel here and go to the beams here. Okay, we need to draw any beams from this point to this point. Okay, let's double click on it. We want hold and R, hold on Control and R. Okay, we choose this beams for here we need 0 0, modify, and for the profile we need U shape. Okay, we need this shape, so we press OK. Modify. Let's show what we have now. Okay, now let's go to Control I. We need the grid 2. Okay, let's take here, we have draw it here. Okay, let's go to the 3D and we want to move it from first we can double click on it. We need to put this the angle of this C shape the same angle of this here of the top of the model, so the angle here is 13.5. so if we go to the rotation and put here below and we put minus 13.5 and we press modify, we can show here, top, we can show here that we have 13.5, the same angle of here. Okay, now we want to move it. We select it and we want right click, move from this point to this point. Okay, now let's show also we need to move. Let's go move it from here, right click, move from this point to this point. Okay, now we have draw our C shape. Now we want to increase, double click from here at the start, we need minus 0.1 for example. Let's do it. No, 0. Okay, yes, from the start here, from the end we need minus 0.05, 0.01. Okay, 2.1 for example. We need to increase here Okay, exactly. And for the star here we need minus 0.1. Okay, because we need to put distance we can use this minus 0.5 move at the star. Sorry, here we need 0.6. okay, 0.1 here, positive. Okay, let's also 0.3. okay, exactly what we need, because here we need to take some empty area between this and the other that we want to copy. Let's copy this. We select it, right click, copy from this point to this point. Okay, this we want to go to here, minus 0.2, minus 0.1, minus 0.05, so we have copied the beams from here to here, and here we have the same distance that we have, empty distance like this, that because we can decrease this distance. Let's decrease this. Okay, by here we can 0.1. let's try. Okay, exactly. And here we can also decrease it by the star to put 0.2 or 0.25. okay, great. Now we want to draw a connection between this beams and this beams. Okay, we want to do it manually. Okay, so we can go to steel beam from here to here. Okay, and we want to select it, right click, move from this point to this point. Okay, also move from this point to this point. Okay, double click on this, put them below, modify. Okay, also we need to move that, move from this point to this point. Okay, also we need to right click, yes, also move, we need to move. Okay, let's also move to the top. Okay, so as we show here, we draw this U shape if we can double click on it, we can go to here. We want it instead of U shape, L shape. Okay, L shape. Okay, modify. So we need to here top, no, back, no, front, yes. Okay, we can go to here, right click, move from this point to this point. Okay, and here right click, move from this point to this point. Okay, now we can move it to the bottom like this. Okay, exactly. Now we need to create, here we have weld and here we want to put bolts. Okay, so we can go to bolts here and this pick first position from here to here. Okay, okay, so the bolts appear here. We want to add them. First of all, let's go to the array here and put them 0. Okay, modify. So we have now 2. Let's go to here. We need to put them back. Show. No, we need to below. No, top, front, top. So we need them like this. For dy, sorry, 0.05. Okay, 0.05. Okay, okay. For the rotation, let's put the same angle. No, minus 13.5. Okay, we can here put 0.04, 0.04. Okay, okay. So we can show here the 2 bolts. If we here start, modify, we can now move them. Right click, move from here to here. Right click, move from this point to this point. So we have the bolt here. Okay, now we want to copy this connection to here and to the other and copy them, and we want to copy this work we want to copy this work here each 2 meter. Okay, each 2 meter on this direction, and for this and for the other side. We will continue in the next lecture. Thank you for listening.